Ever wonder why your cookies sometimes feel like they're missing that magical melt-in-your-mouth quality? Forget tough, bland baking disasters. Today, we're diving into a simple secret that makes the most heavenly, delicate crescent cookies. So light they practically float off the plate. You see, many recipes complicate things, leading to overworked dough or forgotten ingredients that steal the joy from your baking. But what if I told you the key to perfect, flaky crescent cookies is surprisingly easy, almost like a baking superpower? We're going to master that light, airy texture and rich, buttery flavor without any stress, turning even the most nervous beginner into a pastry pro. Get ready to impress everyone this holiday season, or just treat yourself to pure bliss. The real trick to these irresistible crescents lies in the chilling time and handling the dough with a gentle touch. Unlike some cookies that need aggressive kneading, our crescent dough thrives on minimal contact to keep it tender. First, we'll combine soft butter, a touch of sugar, and flour. Then, instead of jumping straight into shaping, we let the dough chill for at least an hour. This isn't just about making it easier to handle. It deepens the flavor and prevents the cookies from spreading too much in the oven. When you roll them out, imagine you're shaping clouds, light and delicate. That first bite will reveal a buttery, crumbly texture that just melts away, leaving a sweet, comforting warmth. It's a taste that screams cozy evenings and happy memories. Want to discover another simple recipe that'll blow your mind? Click on this video next.